Thank you. We deeply regret the assassination attempt against Alexei Navalny and express our utmost concern about this repeated use of chemical nerve agent against Russian citizens. Russian authorities should finally put an end to the harassment, intimidation, violence and repression against its political opponents by ending the prevailing impunity. Journalists, human rights defenders and opposition politicians have to be able to conduct their legitimate activities without fear for their lives. Our relations with Russia are at a low point, characterised by mistrust caused by Russia's actions in violation of international law in Ukraine, intervention in Syria, spread of disinformation and fake news. Particular concern is a high-level support by Russia to extreme anti-European forces in the European Union. Nevertheless, some pragmatic engagement with Russia should continue in areas where it is still possible and necessary for the interest of global governance. This is why 5 guiding principles for the EU policy towards Russia should serve as a base for a much-needed new comprehensive strategy towards Russia, a strategy that should primarily be based on the need for respect for international law and human rights standards while strengthening peace and security. Thank you.